Hello, everybody. Today, I would like to tell you a short conversation between a man and a woman. The woman asked the man if he thought this was a nice hotel. The man agreed with her. He commented, "It was very big. However, he liked it." The woman replied, "The bed was so comfortable and she had never had better service." The second, the man told the woman that were nice city, except for the cold weather. The woman replied she knew and she said the snow were pretty. However, she preferred a warmer climate. The man commented, "At least it wasn't raining." Thank you for your listening.